Hello everyone. Today, we'll show you how to install the Dazuma black aluminum LED Bollard landscape. Before installation, make sure the power to the installation area is completely turned off. Product list: 1 expansion screw accessory pack and 1 LED Bollard landscape light. Step 1. Remove the 4 screws on the bottom side of the product that secured the base cover. Step 2. Remove the product base cover. Step 3. Place the product base cover at the desired installation location. Mark the positions and drill the holes. Step 4. Install the 4 expansion screws from the expansion screw accessory pack into the holes one by one. Step 5. Remove the 2 fixing rings and 1 screw cap from each of the 4 expansion screws. Step 6. Align the product base cover with the 4 expansion screws and place it over them. Following the video demonstration, reinstall the 2 fixing rings and 1 screw cap from Step 5 back onto each expansion screw in order. Step 7. Connect your own wire connectors to your power supply wires, neutral wire, live wire, and ground wire. Step 8. Connect the power wires at the bottom of the product to your wire connectors. The blue product power wire connects to your white neutral wire, the brown product power. Step 9. Place the product body onto the product base cover. Reinstall the 4 screws removed in Step 1 to secure the product body and the base cover together. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.